friends, welcome to the HSK Standard Course, Level 1. In Lesson 1, we are going to focus on Pinyin, which is the phonetic symbols of Chinese language. In this video, we need to know about the Chinese Pinyin system because Pinyin syllables are basically how you pronounce Chinese characters. When we know how to spell and type in Pinyin, we will be able to type out every Chinese character. Chinese Pinyin use Roman alphabetical letters. However, they don't sound the same as in English. Now let's take a look at this character. Hao. Hao is composed of the initial H, the final A, O, and the third tone. Once we know the Pinyin, it will be so much easier to remember the character. Next time, if you see HAO with third tone, you can quickly know how to pronounce it. Meanwhile, the character Hao means good. There is a famous quote, 好的开始是成功的一半。好的开始是成功的一半。It implies a good beginning is half done. On this page, we are going to learn how to pronounce the final properly. There are 6 simple finals in Chinese. A, O, E, I, U, Ü. When the simple finals are combined together, it will pronounce compound ones. Before we begin, let me quickly introduce the use of the alphabet, I and U. In Mandarin, if a final beginning with I, U, Ü has no initial before it, I or U is used in the written form. This attached picture is a reference. Now, let's start from the simple one, A. Please repeat after me. A, I, Ao, An, O, On, A, N, I, Ya, Ye, Yao, Yan, Yang, Yo, Yong, In, U, Wa, Wo, Wai, Wan, Wang, Wei, Wen, Wong, Yu, Yue, Yun, Yuan. 睡觉，轮船，牛奶，啤酒，昂贵，留言，开会。Now, let's learn the initials. As you can see, there are some light gray syllables beside the initial letters. These are helping us easier to pronounce the dark one. We will start from left side, the vertical line, alphabet, Bo. Please repeat after me. Bo, Po, Mo, Fo, De, Te, Ne, Le, Ge, Ke, He, Ji, Qi, Xi, Zhi, Chi, Shi, Ri, Zi, Ci, Si. Wonderful, you just learned all the pronunciation of the finals and initials. Now, let's move to the tone part. Tones are an important part of speaking Chinese, but they can seem intimidating to beginners. Pronouncing the tone wrongly will cause misunderstanding. For the first tone, it is the highest one, but you don't have to use a very high voice to pronounce it. Ah, ah. The second tone is a rising tone. Its pitch is from a low point to a high point. Ah. And the third tone is a turning tone. To be more specific, it is a low tone that falls to the lowest level and then turns to a higher level. It often sounds like ah, ah. The fourth tone is a falling tone. It's from the highest pitch to the lowest pitch. It's like when you are saying stop. Ah, stop. Ah, ah. Let me give you 4 examples and let's practice them together. Ma, 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 ma. Ba, 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 ba. Fa, 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 fa. Wa, 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 wa. Now let's do a practice and try to read the greeting word by pinyin. Ne, yi, ni. He, ao, hao. Ni, hao. Ni, you. Hao, good. Ni, hao. Ning, hao. Ne, yin, ning. He, ao, hao. Ning, hao. It is used in honorific expression. Ning, you. Wonderful! We just finished the lesson 1, and we hope this video gives you a general idea of pinyin system. See you next time. See you on lesson 2.